Remember one golden rule in trading: trade and trend until it breaks. At this moment you can see that BTC rotate around this value, and the main reason because of this massive open interest drop. Remember in a previous video I shared with you this plan that with bigger chance price would continue ranging, and that's the best time to trade fake outs of value area. And you can see that BTC at this moment exactly dropped and bounced from border of this value area. Also, I remind to you what yesterday we traded and what yesterday I recommended to our community. Here yesterday plan at 11:46 I shared this key area where to take a trade 61.65, and after that I shared that it was the best time to take entry. Here price exactly reached this area with this volume spike and big delta, and as you can see I advised that there could be rotation, two key areas, and you can see that that plan exactly played out. At this moment, let me explain to you what I expect at this moment from BTC global plan, because halving is coming, and how to trade it. Also remind you, if you would like to join our community, in description below this video you'll find this text. Open this form and fill this form to get access to our community, because at this moment you will get a big discount for our VIP signals, members in our private club with our top traders, a system of trading bots, buy sell crypto alerts. Just fill this form, and after that press get details. My team will help you. At this moment really big discounts in before halving. What do we plan to trade the next? What do we plan to trade the next? First, until open interest stay flat, better to trade this rotation until value area, because historically why I pay attention to this stuff. At this moment price only 3 days in the middle of this range, only 3 days. If you look on historical perspective, you can see that price were way longer in such ranges. Even this one, have a look how many days price were here, 12 days. That means additional week price can be in a range. Another example, it was this one. Again, some big quite significant liquidation, and price were in this range for how long? 27 days. Here was ETF approval, big stop loss hunt before. All trap buyers were cleared before ETF approval, and this pump into ETF. Here beautiful liquidation, and price after that rotated in this range, nearly this value area, nearly this volume profile, and you can see how many days? 21 days. That means additional more than 2 weeks price can be in that range. That's just example for you why you should understand cycles, because they're trend environment and range environment. And range environment you simply trade until it breaks. And pay attention each time when they approach value area high or value area low rapidly, really fast. What happened here? Massive volume at bottom, big liquidation, and price rotate into opposite direction. Again, price reach value area high, rotate. Again, volume spike, liquidation, rotate. Again, value area high, some trap buyers, again, liquidated, again, rotated. And that's our opportunity where we can take a trade. And you should understand one important stuff, that you trade this stuff until there would be clear breakout and closing out of value. When price would close out of value, especially with rise of open interest as it was here, that would be a signal finally for breakout. And this process it appears so many times. Even here again, this range was even better, big liquidation, and what they did, how many times they moved up and down. This range were smaller, because remember that it won't be like every time the same. Market always would do some different signature, but still in general it is the same. And again, pay attention what they did. They broke up with rise of open interest, close out, and only after that new movement happened. That's why at this moment I just advise you to not to not create nuclear reactor or something like that. To not open America, just follow a simple plan. If price reach value area low, at this moment simply build by here value area low, value area high, by using this volume profile. And wait at important levels that something happens. There must be trap or fake outs. Still, you need clear trading strategies. Better if those strategies would be based on open interest. And I would prepare a free lesson about those strategies, because you can use them in a trend and range market. And that's it. And once you would see that price starts squeezing and closing out, you just take a trade for breakout. Or for example, price squeeze down, close down, we would trade breakdown. We would trade it in both directions. At this moment, few words also about ETF. I know that, my apology, halving. I know halving is coming, but my friend, I remember when after halving price were ranged, after that did massive liquidation, after that did big rise. Also, I remember one halving when price stayed in a range, and after that started massively pumping. That means to predict this stuff, you don't need to predict, you don't need to put yourself into obstacles where you force to trade what you don't understand. Simply wait for clear pattern and take the trade and make money. That's it. Have a good time. At this moment, watch a lesson about strategies that you can use in this range. That strategy would be based on open interest. They would be trapped and liquidated. Both of them you can use as in trend in market, as also in a range market. Watch that lesson. I promise to you would enjoy. Have a good time.